Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. In this video, we will learn about Earth and planets. Now, to start the video. In Earth, there are 6,500 languages. There are 29 states also, like Maharashtra, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, etc. Do you know what is local language of Maharashtra? I will tell you. It is Marathi. And India's most common language is Hindi. Assam rains heavily, so houses are made on bamboo pillars to prevent rainwater. Do you know what is national animal, bird, fruit, flower and game? I will tell you. National animal is tiger. National bird is peacock. National fruit is mango. National flower is lotus. And national game is hockey. There are 8 planets like Neptune, Earth, Venus, etc. Do you know why rocket goes up? Because children are watching cartoons and scientists gives us news through rockets. So if you like my video, please share to your friends and family members. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.